Bongo, multilingual mind. Learning with Sis Bongo, multilingual mind. Learning with Sis Bongo, multilingual minds.
Phefumla, vuthela, phefumla, vuthela, phefumla, vuthela. Mala chami, mala, mala, mala. Chami, today, namhlanje, we are going to learn about feelings, Chami. Feelings, imizwa okanye or imvakalelo. Imvakalelo. Chami, today we are going to learn about feelings, imvakalelo, and imizwa.
Hi, friends. It's me, Mizwa. Did you know that understanding emotions is one of the most important skills we can learn? Emotions are like little messengers from our hearts and minds that tell us how we're feeling and help us understand others too.
Nyanisile Mizwa. Our emotions are very, very important. Our emotions are balulekile, Chomi. And it's important that it's balulekile that we understand, Chomi, our emotions because they tell us how we are feeling about things that we are experiencing around us, Chomi.
Adults that share their emotions raise kids that share their emotions.
Mbile. Show me, Chomi, what you look like when you are Mbile. Umbile is angry. When you are angry, you are umbile.
When you feel angry, it's your body's way of saying something isn't fair or right. Anger is a normal emotion, but it's important to take deep breaths, stay calm, and find a kind way to express your feelings or solve the problem.
That is true, Chomi. When you are umbile, you need to make sure that you take some time out and phefumla, vuthela, Chomi, so you do not do something you will regret. Which face is happy? Happy, vuya. Bobuphi ubuso obuvuyayo, Chomi. Which face is happy? Yes! This face! Good job, Chomi. Let's clap! Clap! Pwaba! Pwaba, Chomi.
Let's learn our ABCs.
A is for Andiyazi. I don't know is Andiyazi. 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 When you want to say, Chomi, I don't know, you say Andiyazi. Andiyazi. I don't know. When mommy asks you, where is your toy? What will you say, Chomi? Yes! I don't know. Excited. Iminili. Iminili. Chomi, excited. Iminili. Chomi, every time when I get to be with you guys and chat to you guys and do stories with you guys, I always have iminili. I feel excited. I feel iminili, Chomi.
When you feel excited, it's your heart's way of saying, something amazing is happening, and I can't wait. Excitement is a wonderful feeling that gives you energy, so enjoy it. But remember to stay focused and share your joy with others in a positive way.
Enkosi tatamkhulu. Chomi, when I'm excited, I like to do a little dance. Show me what you do, Chomi, when you are excited. Let us actually be excited together. Chomi, when you are excited, sometimes you will feel something in your chest and it feels like butterflies, Chomi. In your chest, Chomi. You know, the feeling that you get when you are going to start a new school. Chomi, when you're like excited and you can't wait to see who you're going to be friends with and what your teacher looks like. That is also called excitement, Chomi. I love being excited for things, Chomi.
Let's count.
1,
2,
3,
go.
How many bananas do you see in the picture? Banana. Banana. In Xhosa, a banana is also a banana. Let's count the bananas, Chomi. First, you have to look at the bananas. Look at them carefully. Look is jonga. Let's jonga the bananas. Now, let's count the bananas in isiXhosa. Okay, let's count. Inye, zimbini, zintathu, zine, zinhlanu. They are nhlanu banana. Kukho ama-banana ama-nhlanu. Nhlanu is 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There are so many bananas. I like to eat bananas.
Chomi, which face is angry? Angry, umbile. Umbile. Angry. Let's think. Inga. Yes! This face, Chomi. This face is angry. Angry, umba or umbile. This face is umbile, Chomi. Proud, amabongo. Amabongo. Just like Usis Bongo, Chomi.
When you feel proud, it's your heart's way of saying, I worked hard and I did something great. Pride is a special feeling that reminds you to celebrate your achievements while encouraging others to feel good about their successes too.
When I have amabongo, when I am proud, this is what I look like. Or sometimes when I am proud of someone, this is what I look like. I am so proud. Chomi, I love expressing how proud I am of others. I hope you do too, Chomi. Love, uthando, uthando. Chomi, this is how I feel about you, Chomi. Chomi, show me what you do when you are experiencing love. No, that is so cute, Chomi. This is what I do. I love you. Ndikuthanda kakhulu, Chomi.
When you feel love, it's your heart's way of saying, this person or moment is so special to me. Love is a powerful emotion that connects us to others, reminding us to show kindness, care, and appreciation for the people and things we cherish.
Let's learn our ABCs.
For Bideka. Bideka. Bideka means confused. Bideka. B for Bideka, Chomi. Chomi, when you want to say that you are getting confused, you can say, yo, ndi bidekile. Ndi bidekile. Yo, ndi bidekile. That means that you are confused, Chomi. Bidekile, confused. Diniwe is tired. Tired. Diniwe. Chomi, show me what you do when you are tired. Chomi, this is what I do when I am tired. Yo, didiniwe. I am so tired. Yo, didiniwe.
When you feel tired, it's your body's way of saying, I need to rest and recharge. Feeling tired is a reminder to slow down, take care of yourself, and give your body the energy it needs to keep going.
Chomi, if you are feeling tired, diniwe, that means you must go and take a nap. Go and relax for a little bit, Chomi. Okay, Chomi, sure. Nam Chomi, I decided to take a little nap. Oh, silly sis bongo. Yeah, I was so diniwe. But now I feel great, Chomi. Diziva mnandi. Sad. Nguphele. Sad is nguphele. This is how I look when I'm feeling sad. I'm so sad. Chomi, show me what you do when you are sad. Oh, Chomi, you look so nguphele.
Xa uziva unxunguphele, oko kuthetha ukuba ikhona into enokubangela inhliziyo yakho ibe buhlungu. Kwaye oko kulungile kwenzeka kubo bonke abantu, Chomi.
Uvile, Chomi, it is okay to ukunxunguphala, Chomi. It is okay to feel nxunguphele, to feel sad, Chomi. But remember, when you are feeling down and when you are feeling sad, it's important to breathe. And then express your emotions clearly. Don't do this. Instead, just breathe and then breathe out and then say, listen, I don't like it when you ... and express your emotions, Chomi. Worried. Khathazekile. Khathazekile. Show me what you do, Chomi, when you are khathazekile. Yo, Chomi, I am so khathazekile.
When you feel worried, it's your mind's way of saying, I'm not sure about what's going to happen. Worry helps us prepare for challenges, but it's important to take deep breaths, talk to someone you trust, and remind yourself that things often turn out okay.
There you go, Chomi. Unyanisile ugqirha. Doctor, ugqirha. When you feel worried, it is important, Chomi, to listen to your body, because it's your body trying to tell you that something is not okay. Something is not feeling right, Chomi. And when you are khathazekile, you are going to feel it in your chest, Chomi. It's not going to feel right, and you must quickly go to the people that you trust and talk to them.
Let's learn our ABCs.
For Ebisa. Ebisa is advice. To give advice is to Ebisa. Ndiyakucebisa. When your friend asks you, Chomi, where should we play today? You can say, Ndicebisa that we play outside. Cebisa, Chomi. Shocked is the feeling that you get, Chomi, when something that you did not expect or you did not know was happening happens. For example, when someone throws you a surprise birthday party, you are going to be shocked. Uzokothuka. Uzobathukile, Chomi, you'll be thukile. Oh my goodness. And also, Chomi, When, for example, the sun was shining outside while you were playing and then all of a sudden it starts raining, you are going to be shocked, Chomi, because you did not expect it. Chami, which face shows love? Love. Uthando. Uthando. Which face shows love? Can you think, Chami? Can you tinga? Yes, Chami, you are right. This face shows love. Uthando, love. Chami, can you say I love you? Ah, Chami, I love you too. Ndiyakuthanda. Ndiyakuthanda. I love you is Ndiyakuthanda, Chomi. I get Chomi, you know, usisibongo ukuthanda kakhulu. Yeah, Chomi, I love ndiyakuthanda ukuhlala ndithethe nawe, Chomi. Okay, get Chomi. Bye. Mwah. Let's blow a kiss. Mwah. Izaphuze. Mwah. Bye bye. Salani kakuhle. Usisibongo unithanda kakhulu. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye bye, friend. Bye bye, Chomi.
Multilingual mind, learning with Sis Bongo. 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 Multilingual minds.